Hi everybody. So in this video we'll discuss about introduction to OpenAI and we'll go to the online documentation of OpenAI which is available. So OpenAI was founded in 2015 and it is an AI research laboratory. So ChatGPT was introduced by OpenAI. So OpenAI most exciting creation till now is like ChatGPT, GPT and generative pre-trained transformers which we can pre-train, fine-tune it, then use for our custom data set. So let's go through the OpenAI documentation. So this is the documentation for OpenAI. You should go to platform.openai.com. So if you go down, you can see a video. This is a conference held by the OpenAI Developer Day keynote, which was held 1 month ago. So mostly you can watch the video. Like mostly this video mostly say about the new GPT models which are introduced and the modifications which are made in ChatGPT. So if you go to the introduction thing, key concepts you can see they are text generation models, assistants, embeddings, and tokens. So text generation, we know they are GPT models, different GPT-4, GPT 3.5 models. In models like GPT-4 allow text outputs in response to the inputs. If you give an input, we'll get an output for it. So input to these models are referred to as a prompt. So they call it as a prompt. And GPT-4, GPT 3.5 can be used for code generation, summarization, creative writing, etc. So next we are having assistance, then embeddings. So we are having some models for embeddings like an embedding is a vector representation of piece of data that is meant to preserve aspects of its content or its meaning. So converting a text to a vector representation. Next we have tokens also. So if you go in the quick start, so here you are saying like how to install OpenAI. So we are having three languages. So I'm choosing Python. So how to install and do it, I'll show in another video. So models. So you can see new models launch at Dev Day. So at overview page, we saw a YouTube video, right? So in the YouTube video, the conference which was held. So in that GPT-4 Turbo 128K context window, like you can enter 128K tokens as input and an updated version of GPT 3.5 Turbo, which is having only 16K context window capacity. And other among other things, both models come with improved instruction following, JSON mode, are reproducibly outputs and parallel functioning calling. So you can go and see more updates which have been done for GPT APIs and as well as ChatGPT. And for GPT-4 Turbo, which is the preview release, the knowledge cutoff for is till April 2023. So OpenAI having different types of models. So as we can see below, we are having GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo, which is used for like code generation, natural language generation, and or text generation. Same GPT 3.5, GPT 4 and GPT 4 Turbo is only for subscription. If you take a subscription, you are able to access this. GPT 3.5 is a free version which everybody can use. Then we have Del. It is used for editing the images in a prompt. It is used for generating an images. If you give some input text, one image will be generated. So TTX, a set of models that can convert text into natural sounding spoken audio, like converting a text to speech, and whisper, a model that can convert audio into text. So converting a speech to text, it's kind of thing. And we are having embeddings models as we discussed above in introduction thing. A set of models that can convert text into numerical form. Then we have moderation, GPT based, GPT-3, and other models. So here you can see all the upgrades, like how many which GPT model can take how much input, like how many tokens they can take, how many tokens they can output, and all the updated models information is available here. So here, as you can see, GPT-4 106 preview, like only preview version is available till now. Description, like what it can be done, what improvements have been done, description is available, and then context video and a training data, like till what knowledge cutoff till which date it is there. For the latest series GPT-4 110, like GPT-4 Turbo, it is still April 2023. So here you can see all the models description is savable. So if you go down, you can see all the models. So some of the tutorials are available, like website Q&A, question and answering with embeddings, meeting minutes transcription with Whisper, and others. So many tutorials are there. Change logs means like if any changes have been done to the APIs, they no, it is mentioned in change log. So all the capabilities what the particular models can done. So text generation, function calling, embeddings, fine tuning, image generation, vision, text to speech, speech to text, and moderation. So this is all about the OpenAI. In next video, I'll explain you how to set up an Python environment for OpenAI, and like we'll do coding, and with Streamlit also I'll be showing how to create a website with Streamlit and OpenAI. So wait for the next video. Okay, bye.